Hello, this is Meg, and I'm here today to show you my finished mini book that has the Shades of Blue folio tucked into it. And you can see that it's right here. And I decided to put a ribbon around it so that it did not interfere with the book, and the book did not interfere with it. So that's why. On the cover, I did quite a bit of embellishing on this. I used the same ribbon. I took it off the folio and left it on the book. This is from the Cut and Create ephemera. I did a die cut for the butterfly and paper flowers, leaves, and one of the tags. Oh dear, oh dear. The cover is 5 wide, 5 inches, or 4 3/4 wide by 7.5 high. The spine is 1 inch, and the back of it is the same size as the front. I tried not to do too much with the little book, so it's a lot simpler. I wanted it to be an introduction to the folio and to not overshadow it. So I've kept the pieces fairly easy. The folio is glued to the center, and I've got 2 papers attached to the covers with tabs, the same as you did with the folio on page 2. I've put pale blue cardstock on the pages and a little pocket, or just a tab to put the ephemera in. The same thing over here, and the ephemera are from the folio pack. Now, these open out, and we've got the cornflower blue cardstock coming through. This is the other background paper from the folio kit, and I've added die cuts, and I've glued the ephemera in so that they wouldn't fall apart. And this is just a little vellum book, and it's just tucked into the die cut. And I've added the different blues in this section, and it's a little softer than what the butterfly is. Now, on the back, we have the same system going on, and we've got the pocket there, and ephemera inside. And then, because we had the soft blue and the butterfly here, I decided to keep the ephemera a little bit paler. And another little vellum book to pop in here. And that's it. Very simple. And then you can go in and open your folio as it usually does. Okay, good. I'm working on the new folio, which is going to be vintage, and it should be finished by the end of this month. What else? The next one is going to be shabby chic. And this is a nice idea. It's a great way to finish off the folio. Well, bye for now. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.